open this compiler. I am sending you in chat box. Write a year code. Find the largest number in array.
Write a
Find the largest number in array.
largest number in array.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. 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 So for largest number. Okay. Largest number. So largest. Largest. So let's check array. And find largest. Let's say array of the first data is largest, and then after that compare compare simplify let 0 and I is equal to 1 and I is less than I is equal to 1 I plus I plus plus check if an array of I is greater than largest, right? Also it's greater than largest is simply change the largest. Largest is equal to array of I, and then we simply here return largest and you have to give an array. So that we are is equal to 2, 5, 8, 1, 9. And we simply run the function find largest. Yeah. Let me check the spelling statement. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, good. Just write the array 5. Just change the array.
Okay.
5,
2, 5,
again 5,
again 5,
3,
3,
9, 9,
9, 9.
9. And
Okay.
remove the duplicate number. Try to go.
Okay. Duplicates remove.
Yeah.
Okay. So for this, This- So function would be multiplied. And let's say student set of after that simply this formula value plus plus and this will be taken first between this format. So, if I is equal to result of change, then simply put if not push should be able to yes sir. Hello.
Hello, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Hello,
Yes.
yeah. Okay. Please explain it.
Okay
Please
sir.
explain. Explain.
So first Well, we have an array, array one list. We have a duplicate, and I write a function duplicate array. We are taking empty array, and I am using a for loop to uh, uh, traverse every element of the array. So here I am first making as a duplicate as false, uh, and then I again loop. I again use a for loop, which is running till the result dot result dot ten. Basically, when I run for I zero, and I am then I also check the result, that where I am, means if any function in if an element came with the same number, it check its element is same at I at 0 and I result at j, then it simply update the duplicate to true and break, and this is going again and again. When and it always is check for the array at I, and again it check for the result at j. If both are same, then it simply update the duplicate for that is true, and if it's get true, it simply break, and this will not add into the end. After the whole process, after this both loop come both loop completed, we have every function have duplicate true and false, duplicate true or false, and we simply add which do not have a duplicate, which have a duplicate false. We will simply pushing into the array. We will simply pushing into the result. So at the end, basically, it's we are doing, we traversing the array one, and we checking every element and updating its value to duplicate false, means duplicate means true, is duplicate or not, duplicate true or false. And after that, after the both for loop will run, it will have a value of, it will have a value that uh, duplicate true and false, and we simply pushing the array I, which which have duplicate false, and after that we simply console the array answer.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Please write console.log.
uh, Comment out and comment.
Yeah. 0.1.
Yes sir.
0.1.
0.1.
Plus 0.2.
Yes sir. Plus 0.2.
Triple equal to 0.3.
Triple is equal to
0.3.
0.3
Change the output.
output. Sorry, maybe it's strictly checking, but 0.1. Maybe, sir. Uh, Sorry, sir. Actually, I'm not remember. But I can guess, sir. I can guess it. If you know me. Maybe this will give false, sir.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, run it.
False.
Why?
Sir, because 0.1 and 0.2 are when they are added, give it's give it's it's are in mm, decimal forms means 0.1 and 0.4 they use more characters like 0. This will not give exact 0.3.
Result voting issue.
Yes, sir.
0.1 plus 0.2, 0.35 or 0.00 some more time there.
Yes, sir.
Calculator.
Sorry, sir. Cal-
In calculator, answer is 0.3000. Extra zero
okay.
add, so then false.
Okay.
Okay, const. Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah, const. Right about
All right. Yes.
const
Const
obj
obj obj
equal to empty object after empty object this const a is equal to
a is equal to.
in object
Sorry, sir. Const a is equal to.
object curly index.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, back empty object equal to open curly a is equal to open curly
Okay. A is equal to.
braces.
Okay.
Okay, after
G. Actually, sir, your voice is not clear.
e k e y
KUI.
e k e y
E. Right.
yeah colon a string a yeah same right const b
Same for B.
yeah replace string obj a not dot in array a yeah, equal to One, two, three.
1, 2, 3.
Same as the 4, 5, 6. Console.log. OBJ. Okay, yeah, there's the output.
We have a empty object, and after that we also have a const the object key value p is equal to n and p is equal to a. So after that we object a is equal to 1, 2, 3. So object a is equal to 1, 2, 3. After the object separate object a is equal to 1, 2, 3 and a is equal to 4, 5, 6. So in object a is equal to 1, 2, 3. Object is so sir it will uh, so it will give object it will give output 1, 2, 3.
Okay, please run. Yeah. Okay, yeah. What is Node.js?
Okay, so sir, can you sir, just wait a second? I
Okay, okay, fine. No issue.
so basically it's changing the original array, right?
Yeah, because
Because because do not shadowing we destructuring we do not use a destructuring the array, right? So it's giving the reference to same and it's changing updating the same. Okay, sir. Okay, sir, we can move. Sorry, sir.
okay, yeah, yeah. What is Node.js?
Sir, Node.js is Node.js is a runtime environment which is used to run the JavaScript code outside the browser. It is an open source cross platform, and it's used to develop the it's using server side runtime.
Okay, why use the Node.js?
Because it's provide an event driven architecture, and it is fast, it is flexible than others backend services, and because here we do not have to manage the more threads like in Java we have to manage the multi threads, and because Node.js is a single threaded, so every developer can easily develop very fast. Here the development is very fast and easy, and that's why we choose Node.js.
What is difference between nodejs and JavaScript?
Okay. So, what is the difference between JavaScript and Node.js?
Nodejs.
Okay. So, mm, Java JavaScript single JavaScript Java is a singularly scripting language, and which is used to manipulate and make the UI make in the front end services to make the UI changes like making animations, and Node.js is used in the backend to develop backend services like making route by using Node.js, and we can creating servers, sending response back, and uh, that's why we use
And what is npm?
npm. Npm is a node package manager, which is used to import the files which are written by some other developers. Like we import Express, Pos, basically third parties we use in our project to simplify and make more fast our development process. We do not have to rewrite the code from the scratch. We simply import the modules and use in.
And what is the difference between require and import?
Okay. Require and import both are used to import the files, but requires work in synchronously. Means if the module is load, then the function, then the code will run, and import is require is a common JS module, and and import use the ES6 JavaScript module, and it's work asynchronously.
Okay. Uh, what are middleware function in Express.js?
uh, Express.js. Middleware basically provide us the access to the response. Middleware, sorry. Middleware are used in Express, and it provides access to the request response object and the next function, and it is used to manipulate it is used to accept the request and manipulate the object, and also next, and then next function is used to call the next middleware function in the call stack. So we can use app.use, and we also use middleware to inject like error handlers and routing, and we also use.
Okay. Are you Infosys programming Java certification holder?
Sorry, sir.
Infosys programming Java certification. Are you complete?
Yes, sir. But it's for a long time. In my college, when I'm in starting third year, then I done the certification. But after that, I don't know much. But I know the basics. I know the basics. Yeah.
All right. What is difference between functional and class component in
Okay.
React.js?
Okay. So functional government are basically JavaScript functions, and JavaScript function, and it support hooks like use state and use effect, and it is functional components are stateless, and we can we do not here need a render method. We can simply return in JSX XML in the functions, and also it does not have the React life cycle. For that, it uses the use effect, and it's class, and in class based, it is the JavaScript classes, and it is stateful. Here we use this is state and this is set state for state management, and it have a traditional uh, React life cycle, like component read mount, component return mount, and here we use the render method to render the XML file, and it is slightly heavier because here is a more class instance. We make more class instances than in function based. Um, and nowadays in modern GSM, mean in React basically we use function based component.
Okay. What is the JSX?
So JSX is JSX is a basically JavaScript is a combination of JavaScript and XML file, and we simply write the simply write the JavaScript code in the HTML in the HTML section. So using JSX, we can write JavaScript and XML both together.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Abhishek.